Nigeria All-Stars housemate Ike Onyema has expressed shock that fellow housemate CeeC slept in his bed. Ike had earlier lamented the loneliness he is suffering in the ongoing season, saying he was one of the hottest boys during the Pepper Dem season in 2019, dating the eventual winner, Mercy Eke, but this season he is single. He made the revelation during his diary session on Tuesday. Popular actress and filmmaker Linus has been announced as the chairperson of the Nigerian Official Selection Committee for the Best International Feature Film category of the prestigious Academy Awards, popularly known as the Oscars. Recall that the founder and former chairperson of the committee, Chineze Ayene, recently stepped down from the position. The newly reconstituted members of the NOSC include the Managing Director of the Nigerian Film Corporation, Chidia Madueke, the President of the Directors Guild of Nigeria, Victor Okai, veteran actress Omotala Jalade Ekinde, former President of DGN, Andy Amenechi, theatre practitioner Yibu KOKO, and the writer and director Izu Ojukwu. What is CeeC up to in Biggie's house?